Welcome to the AutoPrint Setup Guide. First, from your Shopify partner dashboard, click on Install App to add the application to your development store. Select your test store to proceed with the installation. Review the required permissions and click Install at the bottom right. Once completed, you will be redirected straight to the app's main connection dashboard inside Shopify. On the dashboard, the system automatically generates a unique API key tied to your Shopify account. Next, you need to download our desktop application to manage and connect your local printers. Save the installation file. Next, you will need to log into your account. If you haven't set up a password yet, you can easily create or update your password right here in this section. Now, open the downloaded desktop app on your PC. Log in using your credentials. Once connected, go to the Printers tab and select your active local printer. Go back to your Shopify app settings. The system automatically syncs your API key. Click Fetch Printers to fetch your local printer, select it as the target printer, and choose your default template, like a thermal receipt. Let's test the automated workflow. Go to Orders and click Create Order. Add a product, then select Collect Payment and mark it as paid to generate a new order. As soon as order number 107 is created, the app instantly catches the webhook. Look at the desktop client. It immediately receives the print job and sends the PDF invoice directly to your local printer with zero human delays. Thank you for watching.